Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to auto delete messages on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then you should click on privacy and security. Tap on auto delete messages, which is the fourth option, and here you should select the self-destruct timer after 1 day, after 1 week, or after 1 month. Or you can also customize the time by clicking on the set custom time button. Here you can select from these options. Click on set auto delete, tap on enable auto deletion, and as you can see, all new messages in chats you start will be automatically deleted for everyone 1 day after they are sent. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.